Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. I'm Striker Discon, your teacher. In this lesson, I'm gonna teach you how you can conjugate the verb to be in simple present. And I'm glad to join you on this video. Salut tout le monde, nous comme c'est Striker, professeur pour là. Et bien dans la leçon, ça va vous montrer ou enseigner comment vous capable conjuguer verbe être au présent en anglais. Et mon très content de joindre nous dans la vidéo ça. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to share it to your friend. I'm going back. Okay, as I said previously, the verb, how you can conjugate the verb to be in simple present. Okay, now let's go. To be. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. Okay? Ça c'est comme ça le conjugué verbe être dans le temps présent. Genre que nous autres répéter au bout là, c'est I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. Okay? But if you wanna make our sentences with them, you can make. I can say, I am a student at DLS. Me. I am a student at DLS. You look at this video, you are a student at DLS also. I think so. You are a student at DLS. Vous êtes un étudiant dans DLS. Okay, I want to explain you he, she, and it. How you can use it. Comment vous capable utiliser? We use he for man. We use he for man and we use she for woman. Ça veut dire vous utilisez he pour un garçon et vous utilisez she pour une fille. I can say he is a student at DLS. Là on parle de un garçon. Ça veut dire c'est un étudiant dans DLS. Là on parle de une fille. On dit she is a student at DLS. Ça veut dire madame ça c'est un étudiant dans DLS. We use it for thing or for animal. Vous pouvez utiliser it pour une chose ou bien un animal. I can say it is a door. It is a door. Or you can say it is a beautiful car. It is a beautiful car. For the first I say it is a door. Ça c'est un chien. It is a door. In the third sentence I say it is a car. It is a car. It is a beautiful car. Ça c'est une belle machine. It is a beautiful car. Okay. I say we are student at DLS. Nous sommes étudiants dans DLS. We are student at DLS. And you can say they are student at DLS. We also étudiants at DLS. They are student at DLS instant. To be positive. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. To be negative. I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, you are not, and they are not. Okay, to be positive contractions. I am, your, his, be negative contractions. We got I am not, I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, and they aren't. Okay guys, nous sommes apprendre le verbe être dans le temps présent en anglais. Parce que vous pratiquez, vous comprenez comment conjuguer le verbe être normalement dans le temps présent en anglais. Nous avons contraction positive et nous avons contraction négative. Comment on fait négation avec le verbe être. Parce que vous pratiquez tout ça, nous avons dans tout ça, je dis, parce que ça va vous mener. I think that you're gonna love this lesson today. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget also to share it to the world. If you make that, you help me increase my level in English and let me encourage you. Come in DLS and you don't regret. DLS is an amazing English learning school. They have qualified teacher. Come to school, come to DLS, and you don't regret. It was a wonderful pleasure to be there with you in this lesson. In this lesson, you are learning the verb to be and simple present. Memorize them. Bye bye.